Hello, I'm Richard Fordry, the founder of Boost. I'd just like to take a couple of minutes to talk you through how Boost can support you in the different stages of your career strategy. We know that the career strategy is a complex beast, split across all the key stages and needs to be driven by innovative and interesting material. The content of each school is very different depending on your experience, your resources, and your connections, but it is very common to have gaps. And Boost can support you, whether it's delivering an online lesson, a half-day skills training, contributing to a careers evening, helping to focus on a cohort like Pupil Premium, for example. We have lots of employability skills training that we can deliver for you. We've amalgamated hundreds of strategies from different school websites into a framework so that we can just show you exactly where Boost can support you. And over the next few pages in red is where we can deliver employability skills training for your students. So for example, this is Key Stage 3. The table on the left is a very typical program that the students will have delivered as part of Key Stage 3. The table on the right, where the items have been highlighted in red, is where Boost can support you with employability skills training. For Key Stage 4, the activities the students are involved in clearly becomes more complete and thorough, and equally we're able to contribute to many more activities in red as well, whether it's in directly training them or supporting you in other events which you're running, such as careers evenings, assemblies, carousel training events. And then as you Key Stage 5, and they're looking at university, apprenticeships, or perhaps going out into the world of work, again, there are many, many areas where Boost can support you. This is a summary across all of the key stages, and you can see how thorough and comprehensive our capability is to support you. Some of our most common courses are the ones which are going to come up here on these post-it notes. These are the ones we trade in the most frequently into schools, academies, colleges around the country, whether it's online or on site. So if there's any way that Boost can support you in the delivery of your key stage category career strategy, please just make contact. We'd love to be able to help you. Thank you for listening.